Hey everyone, it's Ben Hardy here, and I just wanted to make a quick video due to subscriber request. I actually had one of my subscribers email me today and ask me to make, a couple different videos, so I'll probably make another one that was in his email, but the one that I want to focus on today is ordering a vehicle versus buying something that is already on the lot. So first, let's kind of get into what both of those are if you guys aren't familiar. So buying something that is on the lot is basically something that the dealership has ordered for the dealership, inventory wise. So you come into the dealership, this vehicle is already physically at the dealership, and you just buy it straight from the dealer. Now the other one is doing a special order or a factory order. That is where you go into a dealership and you say, hey, I want to order this vehicle with these options, and then the dealer would then put in that order specifically for you, and then once that vehicle comes in, then you buy it, obviously, because you ordered that for yourself. The biggest difference between these two is typically with packaging. So most of the vehicles that dealerships order out are typically be more generic, middle of the line packaging on vehicles. So they usually don't go super base model, and they usually don't go, super expensive. So, a lot of you guys are really ingrained into the Ram brand. Obviously, you guys know I work at a Dodge Ram dealer. It's kind of like on a Bighorn, for example. Usually dealers will spec out a Bighorn. They won't just do just the Bighorn package. They'll do a Bighorn and, add, maybe navigation to the touchscreen. Maybe they'll add heated seats, heated steering wheel, just a couple options, make it go up a little, they'll have it kind of like middle of the line package essentially, but they won't do like, a Bighorn with a sunroof and a 12-inch screen and a subwoofer, all that kind of stuff, because then at that point, it's as much money as a base package Laramie. And so then people are like, well, I'd rather buy a Laramie than a Bighorn because I don't care about having a sunroof and all that kind of stuff. So that's kind of why dealers order out those packages. So let's go in. So that's where that is, right? It's a very generic package, usually middle of the line. Factory order, it's exactly what you want. So in that same case with the Bighorn, you could order just a base model Bighorn, or you could order the Bighorn with panoramic sunroof, nicer sound system, 12-inch screen, all the kind of stuff that a dealer usually won't order. And you get to have all the exact options that you want. Now, here is the deal that a lot of people kind of run into versus, buying something on the lot and a factory order. Usually people think that if they buy something on the lot, they're going to get a little bit better of a deal than if they buy in a factory order. And that's somewhat true, but it's not 100% true. So if you purchase something on the lot, right, the dealer buys it from the manufacturer, and it's sitting on the lot. And if the dealer sits on that for a long time, obviously they're going to discount that vehicle more and more. And this obviously depends on the brand that you're selling. Certain brands, like high-end brands like Mercedes or Porsche, a little bit different than something like a brand like Dodge Ram or something like Nissan or Toyota. Just completely different systems overall in general. So essentially, the differences in process, like for my dealership, if I have a vehicle for more than 300 days, we get charged a ton of money, so we will discount that vehicle a little bit more. Now, is the discount thousands of dollars? Typically not. It's usually a few $100s, and for a lot of people, those extra $100 mean a whole lot, and so then it ends up making them purchase the vehicle. So, like I said, manufacturer to manufacturer, it's going to vary a lot, but typically, yes, if a vehicle's on the lot, you could potentially get a better deal if it's been on the lot for a long time, but usually nowadays with the internet, it's not thousands of dollars, it's usually several $100s, if that sometimes. Now with the factory order, depending on the manufacturer again, and depending on the dealership, usually they charge more for factory orders because they say, well, you're doing a special order on this vehicle, so we're going to charge you more money because you're not buying something that's already here. I personally don't do things that way. What I essentially do is if a customer factory orders a truck from me, and that's mostly what I do volume in is with trucks, but any vehicle, if it's not like a crazy, special edition, special editions have their own niche, but if it's just a regular, like someone comes in or comes in and says, hey, I want to order a 2020 Ram 1500, I charge them the same amount of money that car would cost as if it's been on the lot for a long time. All the way down, all the way discounted. So I give that person the same deal as if they would get if the vehicle is here for a long time. Now, not every single dealership is going to do that, and depending on the brand, depending on the dealership, things will vary. So the general rule is yes, typically vehicles at the dealership you usually get a little bit better deal than factory orders. That is the rule. There are some people that run things a little bit different like me. That is the exception, and I just choose to do business that way because better customer advocacy, and I feel like that's the right thing to do. Like, you should be able to order your, in my mind, since I do the trucks, people should be able to order their dream truck, and they shouldn't have to be like, well, I want to concede my dream truck to get something that is affordable or something that needs to be for me to get a deal. I feel like they should be able to get both. They should be able to get their dream truck and get a deal. I hope that helped you guys out a lot in general in terms of, you know, doing a factory order versus buying something on the lot. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will be more than happy to do that. But as always, if you're stopping for the first time, please subscribe, and I'll see all of you in the next video.